Okay, so one of the people in my Facebook group, I'm sorry, I can't remember who it was, has asked me if I would do an immunostimulant blend, but without using citrus due to a person having allergies to citrus. So if you don't have any allergies, just in case you don't know, your citrus oils are very high in the chemical constituent D-limonene, so a really fabulous immune stimulant. So you could use sweet orange in your blend, and mandarin and lemon and grapefruit. And you could just do all of, if you got citrus, pop them in. Fabulous immune stimulant. Righto. However, this person has allergies to citrus oils, so we're going to have a little workaround, and that's no problems at all. If you know your chemical constituents, ones that the types of essential oils, monoterpenes, monoterpenols, and oxides are immune stimulants. There are others, but those main groups: monoterpenes, monoterpenols, and oxides. All right, righto. So how are we going to do this? Well, of course, you could use it in your diffuser, and you, by the way, you could do all of these. Or if you have them, you can use a little personal inhaler, which I'll do to show you how to do it. If you don't have that, you can make this blend by getting, I show this in my aromatherapy for massage therapist course. Righto. So you can get an empty bottle, and what you can do, you take off this, all right, and then you'd fill it up with sea salt. Now this is Himalayan, doesn't have to be Himalayan. So you would get that and you would tip that into there, alrighty, and then you add your essential oils into this, okay, and then you're just going to cap that, and you got your nice little blend in the salts, and then when you want to use it, you can do that, put the cap on as you would, and this will last you for months, okay, depending on obviously how often you use it. So that's if you don't have a personal little inhaler. If you've done my aromatherapy courses, you know I talk about these. I love these. They're absolutely awesome. And what they have got is they have a little wick inside. You cap this on. They're dirt cheap. You can get nice fancy ones. See? And away you go. All right. And again, these will last you for months and months and months. Righto. So now what I'm going to do, we want immune boosting, immune stimulating essential oils. So now we use a 10 drop maximum in these. So it's really easy. If you want to make the blend, you can double up. So let's say I'm using 4 drops. If you want to make a blend, times it by 10 or times it by 5. So if you want to make a blend into a little bottle like that, so then you've always got it to dip it into your diffuser, and so on and so forth. But I'm just going to make a single blend here. So we've got it. Now I'm using essential oils that you're most likely to have around the house in your essential oil collection. Okay. So of course, our old friend. Now lavender, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to put in 4 drops of lavender. It's a great immune booster. It comes out quickly. So 4 drops of lavender. Now this is Lavandula angustifolia, known as sort of your true lavender. You could also use Lavandula latifolia, spike lavender, which is terrific as well. Okay, so remember we're not going to use any citrus oils, okay, because of this person's allergies to citrus oils. All right, so lavender. Now I'm going to put in frankincense as a fabulous immune stimulant. Smells incredible. So we're going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4 of frankincense. So that's 4 of lavender, 4 of frankincense. I'm also going to put in clary sage, and we're going to put in 2 of those. Now this is sort of, this one's takes a bit more time to come out. 2 of those, and so if you had black spruce, that would be great. I'll put a list in for you as well of essential oils that are really good for those as well. What was the other one I was going to do for you? Oh, tea tree. Okay, so 2 of tea tree. Okay. So 4 of lavender, 4 of frankincense, 2 of clary sage, 2 of tea tree. If you don't like tea tree, you're an adult, you could use eucalyptus, of course, which is absolutely fantastic. So give them a little shakeroo. That's my technical term. And there you go. And you can use that several times during the day. As I said to you, if you don't have a personal inhaler hanging around the house, then put your salts into one of these and do that as well. Likewise, so stick with the same. Likewise, if you want to make a blend, so that was 4, 4, 2, and 2. Oh, 12 drops. God, my dish. See, I'm going crazy in the house. Yeah, that's 12 drops, so that's fine. And I was saying it was 10 drops. It's tricky, the 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. I'm going stir crazy in the house. So 12 drops. Now you could do that exact same thing into your diffuser, into your water in your diffuser, if that's the one you're using. Or likewise, as I say, you can then just do, if you want to make a blend and have that on hand, let's say you want to do, just times it by 10, 40 drops lavender, 40 of frankincense, 20 of clary sage, and 20 of tea tree, or halve them, 20, 20, 10, 10. You know what to do. So, and then you got your mix there, and then you can put those into your immune boosting, into your diffuser like that. So, and again, remember, if you've got citrus oils are fabulous immune boosters. We're doing this without citrus. So just, be aware of that. There are other essential oils and that you can use, but these ones are really ones that most people would have, I would think. So, okay, so there you go. You got your immune boosters. Say, if you want to change that around, add in some citrus, if you don't have allergies to citrus oils, go your hardest.